Okay, welcome back. My name is King Admiral Commander Black Dragon at your service. Actually, double elite as well. Still exploring the universe, but there is a new update that has just came up. New content and features, and what I've done is copied it from text to speech. So I'm going to play it in the background now.
New content / features 2.1. Loot. Added new commodities for loot, crafting, including ones from mice rings. Mining resources can now create materials. Materials can be spawned inside signal sources. Materials can be dropped from destroyed ships. Materials can be dropped from destroyed skimmers. Encoded data materials added. Data materials can be scanned from scannable wreckage. Materials inventory is now split into physical and virtual items.
Basically playing
added
that
scannable wreckage scenarios and poise. Added inbox messages when retrieving encoded loot from various objects.
Thank you. Tell me if you can hear it okay, the voice.
Allow weapon damage values to modify visual effects. Experimental effects can be generated on module modifications. Engineers have module modifications of different types and grades available. Resources can be used to craft module modifications.
Loud enough?
NPC ships can use modified modules. Engineers. Added new landing pad types for engineer bases. Added new hangars for engineer bases. Added bases for each engineer.
You can hear text to speech?
Engineer contact history added to stats panel. Engineer locations can be viewed in the galaxy map, if unlocked. Engineers each have their own unlocked
I'm going to let that go for the next 72 minutes.
New surface materials system, improved surface
it's
material
run for 72
detail
minutes.
Performance. New surface salvage items. Added new surface poise.
And
added NPC patrols near planetary ports and outposts. NPC encounters can occur near planet surfaces. NPCs can engage in combat near planet surfaces. NPC ships can defend settlements and bases. New content / features 1.6. Missions. New mission board added. Mission board contacts added. Contacts have their appearance deterministically generated to reflect various key factors. Mission givers have a welcome message that reflects the state of the miner faction, their tone and relationship with player. Display miner faction recovering and pending states. Missions are now rated by rank, not gated by them. Reason for mission generation now added as needed. USSs for missions now positioned in specific locations as appropriate. Difficulty of missions is factored into reputation requirements, as well as rank. Added additional scenarios for missions. Mission UI now supports showing specific mission ranks, combat / trade / exploration. Reward balance pass for missions. Commodities can be awarded from missions. Loot items can be awarded from missions. Special treasure locations can be awarded by completing missions. Reveal the location of a mission USS when the body is discovery scanned, or you scan the nav beacon. Mission contacts remember if they have encountered you before. Updated scenarios for missions. Added new planetary mission types. Added new scan mission types. Outfitting UI redux. Updated hangar cameras to fit new outfitting UI. Some locations can have unique vouchers from scanning for larger rewards that can't be scummed. Added huge beam laser. Added huge pulse laser. Added huge multi-cannon. Added large multi-cannon. Added enhanced performance size 2 and 3 drive modules. Added VFX scaling for weapon size and damage. Added huge gimbal mount. Bookmarks. Adding bookmark feature to galaxy map and system map. Player is now able to save specific locations, systems, star, planet, stations, surface settlement. Added collapsing sections to options screen. Community goal markers added to Galaxy Map. Minor faction state filters added to Galaxy Map. Mining scenarios can now spawn in icy rings. New mining commodities added. Add traffic density system for generating USSs. Shipping lanes are created between the primary star stations and planets with settlements. Shipping lanes that are too similar to others or too short are removed. Traffic density is calculated based on shipping lane, station and settled planet proximity. This traffic density value alters the probability of USSs. If you scan a body that has a mission POI on it, the POI will be revealed. The scan can come from the Discovery scanner or from scanning an F beacon. Changed data scans to be unique per location, so they cannot be continuously rescanned. Unlinked minor faction reputation from their parent major faction reputation. Now you will be neutral with an Empire minor faction even if you are allied with the Empire major faction. Added the ability to scan an F beacon to get the system exploration data for that system. Added a cordial minor faction reputation level. Allow cargo to be transferred to a newly bought ship, if it has adequate cargo space. Add Chopper's orbital to Fiend's system. Updated translations. Added named planets from Charity Stream. Added new player group minor faction descriptions. Player inbox will hold a message until it has been deleted, or 30 days old. Added Wilfred orbital to LHS 3447. Canon Research Space Science Outpost added to Col 285 Sector 9 TD3. Overhaul and cleanup of how module penetration behaves, to allow multiple hits and various styles of damage. All missiles now use external damage spheres. Clock added to cockpit's info panel. Added missing backer station. Added option to reduce camera shake. Xbox One purchased outfitting content added. Xbox One private group support added. Stability fixes. Defensive code for preventing crash when starting binding preset is invalid. Fix crash in non-atomic timer. Fix zero health error with nav beacon. Don't throw an error when loading straight to insurance screen. Fix an error that happens when loading into a session with someone with a shield bank on cooldown. Fix error when spawning POIs. Fix a rare crash bug with terrain height map handling, will also benefit load times. Don't crash if the cancel button is pressed multiple times in the bindings screen. Prevent drone control module from possibly being able to shut down while holding game object handles to drones. Don't crash if there is an overflow for ship lighting rigs. Fix for error with zero length vector on dust particle lighting hash. Prevent soft locks on startup for terrain disabled systems. Fix memory leaking drone component if a drone is never activated before being destroyed. Fix some terraformable metadata mismatches. Fix crash cancelling control binding. Fix crash with Prospector drone. Fix Goliath crime component crash. Added guards to help prevent a capital ship related crash. Ensure that the variable for boost cost is initialized to something valid, in case planet gravity is not active. Fix crash in drone control module. Fix computational shape error. Fix for crash when approaching some settlements. Fix for AI fighter manager crash. Fix a crash in system generation for Sigjo LXS C170. Don't try to generate systems for child stars, it can crash due to the child star not having its own set of metadata. Fix some of the errors about physics objects out of range when dropping out of supercruise. Stop the conflict target generator from crashing in the event that a scenario is featuring a conflict with a minor faction we don't know about. Fix an error on destruction of a ship in CQC. Make sure that any location objects are destroyed before removing the player. Fix a crash when the Goliath skimmer shields reform. Hammering the back button in the CQC menus should no longer throw an error. Fix an issue where a protoplanetary disk was initiated twice. Fix Radeon 7000's crash with terrain shadow generation. Fix a server crash for an odd edge case of where a player is ready in a proving ground that doesn't know about them.
I have to reboot. This one's somehow not working at the moment, so I'm going to stop this and I'll reboot it because I can't get back into the game at the moment. It's frozen on me, so it won't be long.